guys, welcome to a new vlog, you guys. It's your girl Cuticula, Cutisa girl, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, excuse my voice. Hey guys, in the flu, like I've been exhausting my voice, guys. I've been going out back to back, guys. Guys, I know my voice is horrible, but today we need to film a grocery haul. I know I haven't done grocery haul in this channel, but today I felt like sharing. Yeah, well, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm just doing edition, ne? Yeah, edanyana igroza ikona encane, but I am adding and some of the other stuff, guys, because of ching imali ziyazashiyeka emva yesandla. Usually, guys, I'm always buying my groceries, Pick n Pay, and then Checkers, and then ShopRite. Yeah, so this time around, I bought my groceries at ShopRite. Ne? At ShopRite, I'm always buying my groceries because of the combos that they are having. Guys, their combos are so reasonable. Ne? You get so much discount or you save more, like guys, mawuthola lezi combos akhona. But this time around, guys, I did not take any combo, mainly because usually I buy 10 kgs, ne? So I would buy meal for 10 kg, and then I would buy rice for 10 kg, and then it's flour for 10 kg. But guys, iflour ayihambi apha endlini asixovi, silapha iflour. Kusekhona ibhege egcweleyo yeflour ya last month, uyabo? So asisebenzisi kakhulu iflour. So I was like, you know what, guys, save or no save, but ke ngoku, guys, le combo ayisisebenzeli ke ngoku anymore. So I think I'll buy the combo maybe after 2 months or something. But for now, guys, because of iflour, andizukwazi uyithenga. So without wasting any of your time, guys, let us subscribe, like, comment, and share, and then just dive into the video. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. The first item, guys, is this rice testic. Guys, I love testic so much. Guys, so I'm that child, guys, who is just so attached to izinto ezizomkhumbuza ekhaya. So I love testic, guys. Then the second choice, it would be Excel. Woo, guys. The second item is obviously iwisa, guys. I love this meal, guys, with all my heart and soul. If it's not iwisa, then it must be White Star, guys. Those are the two meal that I can see with a relationship yam nazo. Top tier, guys. I love these meals, guys. They just come at the right time to the right person. Guys, le meal le ayinala nto uthi xa uyiva bengathi ayivuthwanga ibe buncangathi okanye bengathi yonyele or kubenzima uyizamisa. This one, it's a go-to, shame. It's a go-to. I am giving it 10 out of 10, guys. I love iwisa. Second item is these all brands. Guys, I eat anything with bran or wheat, guys, mainly because I have constipation. So my constipation, guys, it is that severe one, like the hectic one. I would go for weeks and weeks, guys, without going to the loo. So this bay comes to rescue, guys. Without this one, I don't know who till life am kube EP, guys. So anything with wheat, count me in. I'm your girl. Guys, I don't even think I need to explain the relationship between me and the wheat. It's just a top tier relationship, guys. Ila relationship yokohlulwa kukufa. Guys, it's so sad because I know myself that I can never go to the loo without eating things that will support me in a way that I will be able to go to the toilet. For example, I'm buying Wheat Bix mainly because they are high in fiber, guys. I eat anything, guys, that will make my stomach loose. Be it fruits, veg, juice with orange, or warm water with lemon in the morning, or drink water throughout the day. But guys, andikwazi ukuziyela etoilet inyani emsulwa yileyo without having something to support my diet, guys. Hayi andiyazi. and yes. So guys, then I also bought jungle oats. I wanted jungle oats that has flavor, which is the strawberry jungle oats, and it's an instant one. This one, it means you just add milk or you add water and then you are good to go. So I added it because I already have that original one, ne? So the original one, yes, boutique mele upheke uthini. So this one, when I'm on rush, I will just eat this one. Or when I need something with flavor, I'll just eat this one. Even though, guys, even the original one, I always try to play around it. It's either I will take banana, and then I take cinnamon, and then I also take ramen, and then this blend, and this blend, and this blend. While yona ibila pha ne lantu kunamanzi or nobis, then ndifake and add pha. Yo guys, my kids would go nuts, guys. They would go crazy. They can't stop kissing me. They can't stop telling me how much they are blessed to have me, guys. Yo guys, you must try that flavor. Yo guys, you must try it. And then you add a little bit of sugar. Don't add too much sugar, guys. Iswekile khani mhlaleni kude nayo, and then a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Then guys, come back and tell me ukuthi kuhambe njani. Guys, this is one of the favorites, guys. This is one of my favorite dishes, guys. For this one, I would kill a person, I swear, literally.
So, hayiba khakundibangule inhliziyo nge3 million. Khakunditest ukholo man ucheck behavior banza banjani ebahlalini.
Guys, I feel like twerking. Guys, I love this. Guys, I'm a tea and coffee lover, guys. So anything hot, I'm your girl, Gesan. So if you are wondering, where can you invite me? Just invite me to a coffee shop so that we can have sip off. I'll be there. One thing about me, Gesan, I don't love bread. I'm not a bread fan. So I bought this only for my kids. If I'm totally honest, guys, I can eat only once from this ones. And obviously this one, maybe once. And this is your pela. And I wouldn't even be bothered. I wouldn't even think, I don't like them. I don't like them. Guys, let me tell you something just quickly. Guys, I suck when it comes to buying groceries because I find myself buying only the things that I love. For example, things like this. Guys, I am only learning now to buy them because, like, why would you buy peanut butter? Guys, I don't love peanut butter. I don't love bread. So anything to do with bread, guys, I'm not good there. Until this other day, guys, my daughter confronted me. She was like, you know what, mom? But when you are always buying things that you love, you don't care about us. What do we want? Every time when you are buying, it must be things that you like. And what about us? The things that we don't like, you are buying. The things we like, you don't buy. Why can't you consider us when you are buying groceries? Or why can't you just go with us when you are going to buy groceries? Guys, guys, so I had to consider because guys, I have attitude on it. I don't even look on its direction. I just buy things that okay, I totally forget about them, guys, and squeeze anywhere with grocery, guys. So I'm only learning now, guys. Okay, man, I must consider them. Okay, what is it? The only time I was considering my kids, it was the time where I am taking something, a chili. Then I would start thinking, okay, they don't eat chili stuff. That's the only time I would consider them. Other than that, guys, ukuthi bafuna peanut butter, bafuna jam, bafuna amaqanda, ubese amaqanda, guys, I don't buy amaqanda and wathandi. Like literally angahlala abole amaqanda kum, guys. But now I need to also consider ukuthi okay, bayawathanda amaqanda, I must buy eggs, even though even today I forgot to buy the eggs. Anyway, guys, that means I'm one person who's still learning, guys. I am still learning. I'm not good in this. Let's continue, guys. I just wanted to tell you that quick update, Nje. So, guys, remember I told you that I am a coffee/tea lover. Anything hot, guys, count me in. I'm your girl. Okay? This new flavor, guys, the Oros pineapple flavor. You, my dear, you are the star of the show, okay? Guys, ufusion uzokurescue, guys, ngexesha lobunzima. Please, if you know, you know, guys. Singamnyanzi ufusion. She's also the girl. She is also the girl that she thinks she is, especially if you have kids. Bantwana bayamosha, guys. Nanseni, drink and then eat jam, guys. Yabantwana le jam. Nake iwesi jam, guys, andilungi totally kuyo andifuna ndikhale noyikhale sendibona. It's too sweet for my liking. It's too sweet. Buttermilk, amaraski kesana, I love them so much. And then in mayonnaise, I also love mayonnaise. But I'm not a fan in mayonnaise, guys. I have my days where I feel like, you know what, today I feel like eating mayonnaise. So I'm not a fan. Pam-pam-pam-a-lot. Guys, I love the cheese. That's why I'm eating it. But I love it. Guys, please advise. Penny tricky bafaz. What's one journey up at department? Guys, ama cornflakes, our last. Once abantwana bami babone ama cornflakes, it's either my son is gonna say, he broke his leg is paining, therefore she must eat ama cornflakes, or she's having a pimple somewhere at the back, we must look for that pimple, and it's ipumigazi le pimple ilapha ngasemva, therefore he must eat ama cornflakes. Guys, my son would eat ama cornflakes in the morning, during the day, and also like at night, guys. Once our born ama cornflakes akafuni kwancama, akafuni uphonxukana nawo, and then the rest obviously ke bazo hotspot kuye kuye atyiwe aphele, guys. Within a week, guys, ndibe ndilicule ndingamisayo apha sana. Hayi andinimoneni zalani bafazi, kodwa kubi kula department kunzima. So, guys, inyama ndiyithenga eJoburg, so beningayanga Joburg today, ne? So I only bought ezo siqhuba for only 3 days. After 3 days, guys, kuzomele ndibe sendiyile uyothenga inyama. So I only bought this means, and then ngathenga i-Vors, and then I also bought stew, guys. And I was hoping to cook stew because today it's a Sunday. So I think I'll cook the stew. So no need to put in this as fridge. I'm here sana siyayithanda le sauce. Yabona le sauce yenhloko. Le sauce yaserenkeni, guys. We are married to it. Siyayithanda apha ke sana. So akuna ukuthi ndingangayithengi. Then I also bought this spice. It's a Portuguese. Guys, I love Portuguese spice with all my heart and soul. And then I also bought a mixed veg. So yeah, I also bought this mixed veg. Cleanness is next to the goldenness. Yabona ke sana. detergents. I also bought the detergents, but I was just adding, guys. I was not starting from scratch. So handy, the lemon flavor, and then I also bought the air scent, which is the cotton fresh, and also the refuse bags for dustbin. And then I also bought this spray again because my kids are having a different toilet from my toilet, so we are having 2 toilets. So this one will go to my kids' toilet and this one will go to my toilet. Yabo. And I also bought this sunlight liquid, both sunlight liquids, and also the Tenga again a sunlight bar, guys. Sakula is sunlight bar. So you don't forget amasiko, guys. Do not make a mistake of ukuswallowishwa hisit and forgetting apu. So this must always be kwigrosa yakho sana to show ukuthi usaziphethe imfundiso zasekhaya khaya. Last but not least, ke sana, these 2 kg of sap or sap, I don't know. So this is the sap I'm also using, guys. Please advise me. I am using these hand wash soaps, powder soaps, hand wash powder soaps on my washing machine. Guys, what are the risks? Nani niyayenza lonto, guys, okanye ndimoyenza lento? Like, guys, advise. Lento ndiyenza ikhona. Ngathi kanti ngizokuphukelwa ngumachine sana ndisalibele ukutyudisa. I use this hand wash powder or hand washing powder on my washing machine. Guys, something sounds off, but imali, guys, imali siyazifuna yona nice life, but then nice life son ayisifuni. That is it for me, guys, with the grocery haul. I hope you did enjoy the grocery haul. And obviously this is the first one. I don't think you will be too harsh on me, and we are also looking forward for future grocery hauls which will be bigger and better, guys. Even the vibes, guys, so besiziva mhlambi zabe zithengwe worse. Hayibo, guys, I cannot wait ukuza up ku YouTube ndibe ndizonenzela i-grocery haul yaseHollis. Guys, dreams do come true. Dreams do come true, guys. If there is one thing I would love in my life is to do my groceries at Woolworths, guys. I have bought things from Woolworths, guys, like cake yakhona, guys, it's the top tier. Once you taste cake yase Woolworths, ezinye, guys, they feel ngathi kukho into off or into eshotayo. I have tried ijuice yakhona, I've tried iminsi yakhona, I've tried ivorsi yakhona. Guys, Woolworths is Woolworthsing. Woolworths is Woolworthsing. But for now, guys, singekabi yo target market yapha sizabe siyincenga apha.